Welcome to Remote Closing Rapid Fire.
What's going on? Aaron here from the Remote Closing Academy team. If you're seeing this video, you made it all the way to the end of the Remote Closing Rapid Fire playlist, which I congratulate you because you probably got a ton of notes. And your next question is probably, okay, this all sounds great. This is amazing, but how do I actually get started and start implementing this and getting paid to be an appointment setter or a closer? Well, down in the description below, there's a video. So down below this video in the description, I want you to click that video and it's going to bring you over to another page where my business partner, Cole, he actually has a full-on training that's going to reiterate a lot of the information that we went over in this series. It's also going to give you that tangible step-by-step process, literally a 4-step process that you can use to get started with remote closing or appointment setting as quick as humanly possible. And honestly, because you've made it to this end video, that not only tells me that you have the grit, the tenacity, and the motivation to learn new skills, but it's also a really important skill set when it comes to jumping into an industry like appointment setting, like closing, where it's not an overnight success type thing. You got to put in the work, you got to put in the effort to get really, really good at this skill. But if you do focus in on that, and you get really, really good, you could really change your life and completely change the trajectory of that by focusing in on this skill and really just taking advantage of this still relatively untapped industry. There are hundreds, if not thousands of companies right now that are looking to pay you 10, 15, 20, 30,000 plus dollars a month if you're able to master the high value skill of remote closing or setting. So again, down below in the description, click that link, go watch the video. It's with my business partner, Cole. He breaks down the entire process and exactly how you can get started in a 4-step process in this industry as soon as humanly possible. So go check it out. You made it this far anyway. You're probably going to still keep watching videos here on YouTube, so might as well spend that time on a video that could change your life. So go ahead and click down in the description. We'll see you on the inside.